Welcome again to Infinity Beyond, your sanctuary for quiet journeys across space. Tonight, we leave the familiar warmth of our sun and venture outward, far beyond the planets, past Pluto, into the deep, dim outskirts of our solar system. This is the realm of shadows and silence. The edge. But where exactly does the solar system end? Most of us imagine the solar system as the region that contains the 8 planets. Maybe you picture the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, or the Kuiper belt beyond Neptune, home of Pluto and icy bodies. But the sun's influence extends much farther. The true boundary isn't defined by planets, but by wind. The sun constantly emits a stream of charged particles called the solar wind. This creates a vast bubble around the solar system called the heliosphere. Within this bubble, the sun's energy dominates. Beyond it, interstellar space begins. At some point, the solar wind slows and collides with the pressure of the interstellar medium, the gas and particles drifting between stars. This invisible border is known as the heliopause, and only 2 human-made objects have ever crossed it. Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. Launched in 1977, the Voyager probes were never expected to live this long. Yet decades later, they continue to drift outward, powered by small plutonium generators and guided by faint whispers from Earth. They carry golden records, messages from humanity encoded in sound and image, intended for any intelligent life that might one day find them. In 2012, Voyager 1 crossed the heliopause and officially entered interstellar space. In 2018, Voyager 2 followed. They are now over 20 billion kilometers from Earth, moving through the unknown. But even now, they still send data. They measure cosmic rays, magnetic fields, and particles from other stars. They are our ambassadors to the void, our eyes beyond the sun's light. And out there, in that distant cold, something mysterious lurks, the Oort cloud. We've never seen it directly, but based on the behavior of long-period comets, scientists believe this vast sphere of icy debris surrounds the solar system like a shell, extending perhaps up to 100,000 AU astronomical units from the sun. The Oort cloud is not a ring like the Kuiper belt, it's 3-dimensional, a distant graveyard of frozen relics from the solar system's formation. Every so often, a passing star or gravitational nudge sends one of these icy objects tumbling inward. They become comets, arcing through the inner solar system, lighting up our skies for a brief, brilliant moment before fading once more into the dark. These icy wanderers remind us of just how vast, how ancient, and how fragile our solar home really is. Out here, sunlight is weak, a whisper. The warmth we take for granted on Earth becomes a memory. Temperatures drop to near absolute zero. Time feels different, and yet, even in this frozen frontier, there is a quiet elegance. The edge of the solar system is not an end, but a threshold. Beyond it lies the Milky Way. Billions of stars, countless worlds, an ocean of possibility. It's here, in the silence, that we begin to understand the scale of existence. That Earth is not the center. That even our sun is just one of many lights. And that the boundary we thought marked the end is only the beginning. Tonight, as you drift to sleep, imagine yourself aboard Voyager 1. You float in a silent craft far beyond Pluto. Behind you, the sun is a pale dot, no brighter than any other star. Ahead lies infinite dark. There is no noise, no gravity, only movement, forward. And in that stillness, you carry a record, a message of who we are, of where we came from, of what we hope to be. You are not lost, you are exploring, and you are not alone.